This is the way the gear worked on the stock FMS F-86.
Gear down.
All three doors were up, and when you retract it, it's the press down of the wheel on this spring that closes the door. Otherwise, everything stayed up, or down, I should say, all the gear doors. In addition to separating out the main gear, or the nose gear door, and using the sequencer and the IX-20, I rigged this so that it does this when the gear are down or up.
Gear up. Gear down.
It's just a simple lobster clasp from jewelry and a little ring connected right there, so that when the gear goes down, it pulls on this. And it's disconnectable, so you can take the wings off.